Hey kid, what do you want for Christmas?
Face car.
Too bad, because you're spoiled and rotten, and you're too young. Get off my lap, you're peeing on me. Hey kid, what do you want for Christmas?
You to leave.
Well, too bad, you can leave too. Now get out.
No!
God.
No!
Fat kid. You're fat kid, get off of me.
No!
Okay,
you don't even look like Santa Claus.
You know what, I get paid for it. Fat 4-year-old.
You fat Santa Claus
So what do you-
800.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want you to die.
You first kid. Ah! You little 4-year-old, I think you're paying. Your other friend peed, right? You're paying. Get up.